ProtocolandPeople, empowering leaders through innovative strategies. What defines the strength of an organization? It's not just systems or strategies, but the people behind them. At Protocol and People, we believe that every team member's potential ignites growth. Today, we'll explore how innovative leadership strategies transform business leaders into visionaries driving sustained success. Collaboration is the lifeblood of any thriving organization. When leaders create environments that value openness and shared goals, innovation flourishes. Protocol and People trains leaders to nurture collective efforts, ensuring teams aren't just working together, they're growing together. Collaboration here isn't just a tool, it's a mindset that redefines possibilities. Staying ahead demands adaptive, forward-thinking leadership. ProtocolandPeople employs cutting-edge practices to guide leaders in fostering creativity within their organizations. By embracing risk and challenging conventional norms, leaders learn how to transform obstacles into opportunities, paving the way for unparalleled growth and competitive advantage. People are every organization's greatest assets. At Protocol and People, we equip leaders to recognize the immense potential within their teams. Through mentorship and development programs, we empower professionals to hone their skills and thrive. When leaders invest in people, they amplify both individual and organizational success. In a globally interconnected world, cultural intelligence is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. ProtocolandPeople integrates cross-cultural training into leadership strategies, enabling leaders to bridge gaps, communicate effectively, and foster inclusivity. This ensures businesses remain globally competitive and aligned with diverse markets. Success in today's complex world begins with innovative people-focused strategies. Join Protocol and People's mission to empower leaders, foster innovation, and unlock growth through collaboration. Transform how you lead and revolutionize your organization's future. Connect with us today and embark on your journey to exceptional leadership.